Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Garrett here from iDigi Affiliate. And today we're going to be looking at the $25 digital business that you can start all in one and using and promoting it using my lead gen secrets. Right. Okay, so as you may know, I've gotten 2 sales so far using my lead gen secrets. And each sale is $120 per month. So what I'm making $240 per month so far, promoting it using my lead gen secrets. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the same thing we've been doing, but this program is the best program. It's 80% commissions, 80% recurring commissions. It's the best affiliate program I have ever found by far. So, it's a brand new system, all in one business here. Tell you how to set it up and all that, and it's the best recurring income I have ever found, and people can afford it. That's another thing. People can afford the product. Like, a lot of people can afford the product. The problem with high ticket affiliate programs is that that's not many people that can afford them. And in this day and age, they can't afford them. But if you say, hey, how about just a couple of dollars a month? They can afford that. And you billing recurring income in that way. So that's why this program works so well. People want to stay in it because that's another issue people have with recurring income. Some people have a hard time keeping people in it. This program doesn't have that issue, because what it offers is very, very necessary for business in general online. Like, the things that it offers you need for business, and plus it's the best affiliate system. You might as well use it. Now you got a lot of choices from funnel builders. This is just $25 per month. Now you got ClickFunnels. I meant to say ClickFunnels is $97 per month for just the funnel. It has so many rules. You can only have a certain amount of people look at it. Let me just say this: you won't be able to promote my lead gen secrets with ClickFunnels effectively, because you only have a certain amount of people looking at the product on ClickFunnels. This is way better. It has no limitations at all. You just get everything, no limitations, $25 per month. All right, so let's keep it moving here. So we're going to promote this page here. All in one $25 digital business. Real good product, man. I'm glad I found it. Anyway, let's keep it going here. Well, we're going to log into my lead gen secrets here. We already on the page here. So we're going to get a email here we can try. We're going to try this brand new. Here is your invite. We're going to try this product. Copy. I'm going to try this email here. Pretty solid email in general. We're just going to delete. I'm going to pick the first name here. I'm going to pick first name fits here. Get a comma here. Yeah. A name, here's your invite. Yeah. I think that worked real well. Okay, let's get the email here. Hi. A brand new product, your link. Look. Copy. So we're gonna copy it in like this. Pick the name. All I'm doing for my name. Now let's delete the top VIP link here. We only really need one. So we're gonna pick hi, and we're gonna pick first name in this. Make it a little bit more personal, I think. Make it work really good. All right, so first name field, brand new product been launched, blah blah blah. You make a lot of money, blah blah blah. Here's your link, our VIP link. So we're gonna pick the link here. All right, and as y'all may know, I created I personally bought a domain name for the link here, so I'm using this here, but it's the same page as this here, and you can easily you don't need to do what I did, but you know, because you can just get the link here. This is the link here that you want to promote, all in one $25 business. Once you're in the program, you got to get in the program, you know, pay for stuff and all that before you can become an affiliate. That's how these recurring programs usually work. You got to have the product to promote it. Okay. And I think ClickFunnels, when it comes to ClickFunnels and promoting ClickFunnels, you got to actually get some sales with other products in this. Like, you have to get sales with all this other stuff, and other products in ClickFunnels to actually get sales with ClickFunnels. All right, so we take that link anyway, and we're gonna just post it in right there. We're gonna put it in right there. We're gonna bold it. Boom. Now we just look at the preview here. Looks good. All right, it's loading, so we good. So we're just gonna hit send the email. Boom, we're done. That easy, guys. That simple. That's how easy that was. All right, so I got 2 other accounts, so I'm just gonna open up another tab here, log out on this account, log back in. I'm doing it like this so I can just copy and paste the email here. I don't have to rewrite it again. It's still up here, yeah, on this page. Like this. Control A, C, Control V, boom. Beat this. Go back here. Control A, Control V. All right, then we're gonna hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, it sends the email around the time people usually check their emails. All right, so that looks pretty good. So we're gonna go with that. All right, did the email get sent? Yes, it did. All right, so we're gonna log out of this account. We're gonna log into the next one. We go here, we want control. Control V. All right, that's it. Then the email, that's all it is too. All right. So we done there, guys. We're done promoting the product for today. And that's how easy it is for people with my lead gen secrets here. All right. Now, if you're very interested in promoting this product, there's a link in the description. I already got links for everything I do. Link in the description for it. You want to use my lead gen secrets to promote it, there's a link in the description to do it. You want more info, maybe FAQ, frequently asked questions about the product, there's a link in the description for it. Like, I got all the links down there, guys. Check them out, see what's going on. Get you guys started on making some money online now. Now I gotten a certain question that I wanted to address. Somebody was asking me why I keep showing similar things on my videos, and it's very clear because it works, guys. I show the same thing because it works. All of these products I show you cost money to have. All right, I wouldn't have them if it didn't work. That's just what it is. I wouldn't have them for months and months and months on time if they didn't work. All right. Now I know these work, so I'm trying to get you guys to become financially secure, because this product here, I need around 15 people in it. I got 2 in it already. I get about 15 people in it. I'm financially free again with another program. I can tell you how I make but that's how we're gonna make money, guys. That's how we're gonna build different forms of income. So you want more than one secure way of making the income you need every month. So let's build the first one first. Let's get the first one, and then we'll work on other ones. But let's try to focus on this one until we get to that point at least. But that's all there is to it, guys. It's just simply pay very much attention to people that keep showing you the same thing over and over, because more than likely it's because it works. Like it's a lot of people online on YouTube. They make a lot of videos about different ways of making money online. I'm not saying those ways couldn't work, but I'm saying is those ways they showing you, they ain't making money off of them, because it's too many different ways they promoting. Like you can't really make money like that. You gotta focus on one thing. That's why I show the same thing over and over and over again. You need to focus on this thing for months. You focus on it, and then you start making your money. All right, guys, that's all it is to it. Yeah. Now make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.